I bought a new Dell XPS Plus laptop in 2022. It only had 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, so I needed a docking station. I bought a cheap Falwadi docking station, but it stopped working after 4 months. Didn't charge my computer. So I went to the Dell site and bought a Dell docking station for around $300, a good one. This is the number for the Dell Thunderbolt dock. And here are some of the ports on the dock, numerous ports on this side and a couple of ports on the other side. Here's a diagram of some of the ports. And this is on the instruction manual that came with the docking station. So the power cord on the bottom plugs into the wall, and the cord on the top plugs into the Thunderbolt 4 port on the laptop and actually charges the laptop. So from left to right, there's an HDMI to monitor, an earphone adapter, a wireless mouse plug-in, and then the power from the wall outlet. So final setup, and it works great. Very happy with it. Glad I did it. I only have one monitor, but this Dell docking station can do several monitors. So I hope that was helpful. This is Stephen Vig reporting from San Antonio, Texas.